Hello, class, and welcome to week 6 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101, I'd like you to begin working on your education essay along with your works cited page, which you'll be posting on the discussion board for peer review. In order to find out the information for the assignment for this essay, you'd want to go to the Assignments tab on the left side of the navigation bar. I'm going to head to it. I have the window open, so I'll just go right to it. You're going to be writing about education policy. You're going to be talking about diversity in education. You can choose one of the listed topics that's there on education for this particular module. Please pay attention to the fact that of the page number and the fact that you do have to have a works cited page at the end in MLA format. All right. So once you have written your essay and your works cited page, you would want to go to the discussion board, which is also on the left side of the navigation bar, to post your works cited page. For this particular assignment, it's just your works cited page that you may post. If you want to post additional pages, you may post those pages privately, but right now it's just the works cited page. You will be posting your works cited page, and you'll be answering letters A, B, and C about the author's credentials of the sources you've cited. What's their background? What are their credentials? Do they have a PhD? Are they a writer? Are they an author? Are they a doctor, a psychologist? Are they an educator? What is their credential? What are their credentials? Also, you want to answer the question, did the author cite any other author for this particular article? And that shows that this person is doing a lot of research if they're citing others. Also, is the citation current or out of date? Is it within the last 5 to 10 years, or is it a lot longer? You want to answer those questions. At the bottom, after you have posted, the students who respond to your post will also answer the same questions about your post as well. They will be evaluating the level of your post, the level of your citations. And so let me just go back to the calendar. Looking ahead, you will be, aside from doing the peer reviews and writing your essays this week, next week, the week of week 7, the final draft of your education essay will be due in assignments. I hope that this was very helpful. Thank you.